Today we're making my avocado, kale and banana smoothie. This is such an easy smoothie to make. So let's get started. First, add the kale to the cup, half a banana which has been frozen, half an avocado, a heaped spoonful of flaxseed, a heaped spoonful of fat-free yogurt, and about 300 to 400 ml of apple juice that is not from concentrate. Then blend it for about a minute. There you have it, my avocado, kale and banana smoothie. What a wonderful smoothie to kickstart your day. If you found this video useful, why not smash the like button and subscribe so that you can get new recipes whenever they're released. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.